Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Uncle Nate here with
Ayden the Shark.
This is our race from April 9th down at Hobe Sound Speedway in Junior 1. We're going to pick it up here starting in Heat 1. Ayden started back and forth. I believe the Hudson kid ends up winning this heat. Our kart handled a lot better this week down there. You'll see from most of the video we were able to keep up. The field got a little spread out there in the first heat. We started bringing Grandpa's golf cart. That's fun to ride around with your friends too, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, all the kids, some of the adults had a lot of fun on that. So we pick it up here in Heat 2, trying to win the race first lap. Going 3 wide going into turn 1. Marc Hudson gets a short into that stick. Little Ayden didn't have anywhere to go. I'll say sorry to Mark for that one.
Sorry.
Sorry, Mark. We didn't mean that one. On the restart, almost happens again, but we managed to squeak out front. And the Hudson kid actually comes around here and passes this other young man right on the inside, on the outside. Real cool trickle move right out of Days of Thunder. So more props to Mark. And we speed it up here. Everybody kind of falls in line. These are 10-lap heats. We got about 2 laps to go, I believe, is where we're picking it up here. This is 3 laps to go. Hudson starts catching you here at the end. What are you doing right now out there on the track, buddy?
Just doing the line they were doing, and I was just going as fast as I could and trying to keep them behind me. And then they did shoot a white flag, and I really thought I could do it. And then he bumped me. Instead of going around me, he should have gone around me, because if he'd gone around me, he could have beat me, but he didn't.
So we ended up taking a win in Heat 2. It was funny. I did some research. The top 3 people had a first and a third for the heat races. So we ended up starting in third, even though we had an average position in second. Pick it up here going into the final race. Everybody stays pretty close together for the first 7 or 8 laps. And we speed it up through some of these. These are 20-lap races. So we try to just burn through the follow around parts to show some of the highlights for you guys. Right here, this next lap, right here, little tail and spins, and we missed her right in the middle of the corner. Did you think you were going to get her there, buddy? You had that one cleared.
I knew I had that one cleared, but then we're at top.
You had that one cleared. Good job. So we had a little bit of a hard time getting restarted and everybody in order, but we finally start back in second. And I think we got about 5 laps to go here in the final. Been a pretty competitive day. Do you remember the young man in this kart?
No.
No? We still haven't learned the young man in the little American flag kart.
I know his name, but it never sticks in my head.
Yeah, we can't remember it. We've only met him a couple times. He ends up passing the Talon in the gold-colored flame car there here in a second, just off camera coming out of turn 4. She gets loose in the middle of the turn and he blows right past her. You don't see it on the camera. And at about the same time, our kart starts slowing down a little bit. I think our tires went away. And he comes up, and there he's already in third now. And he closes that gap on us quick. He kind of hung out around back all day, then came out and stuck it to us, didn't he, dude?
Yeah?
Yeah?
It wasn't because of us, it was because of the tires. And then Taylor went loose, and then he got around us, and then my tires stopped working.
The tires went away a little bit at the end. Our laps fell off almost 0.3 of a second the last 3 or 4 laps from the day. I think we got our tires a little too soft. We've been working on our tire program. Uncle will work on that a little bit more for you, buddy. We'll get it dialed in. We also have some more tricks and tips. We got this last weekend we need to implement, and I think we're going to pick up a little bit more speed, and we're definitely going to have something for these guys when we go back down next time. Thanks for watching. Come back and see us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.